See and draw. Hello everyone. Let's draw Angry Birds.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swing.
blue color.